Highlevel Harris best affiliate on the planet. Now today I'm going to tell you how we're going to send notifications to your phone, okay? Like this can be for anything. If someone signs up for a webinar, if someone fills out a payment form, if someone fills out anything high level and you want to get notified straight away, you of course want to ping it to your phone and not to a laptop, because you probably won't be on your laptop and you'll most likely be on your phone. Okay, so step one, what you need to do, I'll put on screen here, is you need to download the Lead Connector mobile app. And when you download the app, you need to log in with the same credentials that you have on for Highlevel. What this is that this whole Highlevel software is now in the palm of your hand. You've got the mobile app, and it's a white label mobile app. It doesn't say Highlevel anywhere, which is good for you. So now all your contacts, your calendars, your messaging is all synchronized from the app to the software. So now whenever someone fills a purchase form out, we can send an internal notification to ourselves to notify us that contact name has purchased, blah blah blah. Here's their details, for example. Okay, so let me show you how we're going to do that. So go on to the automations tab and let's create a workflow and let's start from scratch. Okay, so the trigger will be let's say someone purchases something. Okay, so let's add filters. So in funnel, and we can do per software purchase. Then we'll do in page is the purchase page, and then the product is the LMX software, and we can even do submission is a sale. Whenever someone purchases that product now, this trigger will fire off. And let's say as soon as someone purchases, I want to notify myself who this person is. So what I want to do is send an internal notification. You can email and SMS yourself, but I felt like the notification is just much better with do the mobile app. So what you want to do here, so this notification go through the mobile app. Be sure on your mobile settings to allow notifications, of course. Okay, so let's do the contact. Use as us, contact is them. So whoever's purchased, their full name, we can say has purchased. So then now I can even put their full name, last name, their phone and email, because that's what you fill out. You can only take in the information that they filled out, so they do fill out the name, email, phone number. So you can put that in here. So you can say contact first name has purchased. So I'll just put a section their details with their email, their phone. All I do is go to contact, then phone and email, click it and it'll come up. Okay, that can just be in contact, user type, particular user, and make sure it's me. Boom, and save action. You can add more things. You can add like a send SMS. Whenever you send an SMS, that'll be to the person that's purchased. So you can send a thank you for purchasing. Then what you want to do is press publish and press save. So whenever someone purchases that, you would get a Lead Connector mobile app notification saying this person has purchased. So we can test the workflow. Even if you've booked an appointment, you can go to appointment and remind yourself when the start date and time is for the appointment. So that's how you're going to send notifications to your phone. If you want shooting with Highlevel, be sure to sign up to Highlevel, do my link, get a free trial and get all these benefits here. I'll see you there, and yeah, please like the video, it helps me out, and thank you.